I'm right here with you. I'm riding with you. I need all these. Let's go to work. Come on, T. Easy 12. Let's go. Let's go to work. Come on. Let's go to work. Come on. Stay tight. Stay tight. Come on. Let's go to work. Come on. Yes, keep that core in. Let's work. 6 gone. Come on. 7 gone. Stay with him. Stay with him. Come on. Stay with him. Stay with him. Come on. Need 1. Walk him in. Money. Good set. Oh, yeah. We're still here. Let's go to work. We're still right here. All right. We're still right here. I'm right here with you. All right. We need 12. I need you dig on these. Take the 5 when you need it. Let's go. 1 gone. Come on, T. Let's go to work. Come on. Stay with me. Come on. Come on. Let's work. Let's work. I like them. Come on. Breathe 5. Take a 5 when you need it. Come on. Let it burn. 4, 3, 2. Don't yet. Gradual 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gradually. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, team. Need 10 now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight the burn. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. You fight that burn. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. You fight it. Come on. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me 6. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. I want you to go through it. Go through it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go through it. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go through it. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go through the pain, man. 2 more. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go through the pain. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. We got it. 10. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. 1 set left. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. We need 1. Come on, that's what we do now. 3-0. Let's go to work. We train outside the box, T. We don't train in the box. Let's go. Outside the box. Let's go get it. Keep that chest up for me. Let's go to work. I need all of these. I want you to get mad and run these home. We run these home. Come on. Let's run these home. Get mad and run them home. Let's do what we came to do. Come on. That's 9. We don't quit. We go through it no matter what. That's 10. No matter what, we keep going. We don't quit. When life get hard, we fight back, baby. We don't take it. We fight back. Fight back. 15. Come on. Fight back. Take him home. Don't you quit. That's what we want. Come on, T. Don't do it. 13. T. Commit to it. Commit to it. Let's go. 12. Come on. Run him home. Come back left. T. Don't pause, baby. I need you. Back. Again. 10. Keep your hand up. T. Go up. Take 5. 8 left. Come on, T. I need you. 1001. That's 5. Get up there. Breathe. 4. 1. Come on. I'm here. Get up. 2. Come on. Get up there in that bar. 3. Get up there in that bar. Back up. Don't go to full extension. Go up again. I want 1 more anyway, just because. Get them up. And step off. We ain't resting. Let's walk. Let's walk. We ain't resting. Hey, that first 15 looking a little suspect, T. I need another 15 now. All right. That first one looking a little suspect. Redeem yourself. Come on. Redeem yourself. Come on. Let's go. Read 1. Come on. Get in that hole, T. Get in that hole. Come on. Get in that hole. I like that. Get in that hole, T. Get in that hole, T. Don't you quit on me. That's 9. Get. Oh! You told me you did what? You took what place in your show? First place? Man, don't give me 6 more dips. Let's go. Come on. Give 1. Let's go. Come on, 2. Let's work. That's 3. Come on. That's 4. Let's work. And now breathing. Blow out. Yes, let's get that 15. Somebody gonna sleep good today, baby. Somebody gonna sleep good today. Come on, T. 1-5. You gonna give it to me straight through?
I'm doing my best.
Let's go get it. Last 15. Come on. Let's go to work. This is what we do. This is what we do. I don't know why you, man, put them feet together for me, T. Why you got that? I don't want that in there like that. Come on. Yeah, let's go to work. I'm going to stand right here with you. Come on, let's go sit. Drop in that hole, T. Go in there, T. Come on. It's 9. Way to work. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Get in there. Come on, T. 4 more. I know. 4 more. 4 more. 4 more. Come on, give it to me. Let's go get it. Come on. Breathe. Yes, let's go to work. 3. Let's go to work. 2. Come on, let's go. 1 more, blow it out. Blow it out, T. Get them out of there. Good set. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's how you train. That's how you train. Got that dog. That's how you train. That's how you train, T. That's a normal day, ain't it? Normal day, baby. That's a normal day, T.
My first workout with the chef. It was amazing. It wasn't a workout, it was training.
Yeah, it was good work. It was good work. Did you get pushed?
I got pushed.
That's what's up.
And the body responded.
That's what's up. It's a great workout. I enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Sure, we'll do it again. Stay
so
hungry. Spirit and fitness.